Good morning, children. This is part 3 of the story The Face on the Wall. So, we have seen the Debonaire's friend once when he got up yesterday morning. What did he find? He found that the face on the wall had become very dim. It was only faintly visible. The face on the wall had become very, very dim. It appeared as if it was a ghost of itself. It had become weak also, not so prominent now. Confused and sad, I went out. The Debonaire's guest tells that he was very much confused why this has become so weak now, so dim and fainted now. The early editions of the papers were already out. I saw the headlines. American millionaire's motor accident. न्यूज़पेपर में क्या हेडिंग था? अमेरिकन मिलीनियर्स मोटर एक्सीडेंट. इसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया. इट रेड माई ऑर्मंड वॉल. The Pittsburgh's millionaire and party motoring in Italy were hit by a wagon and the car overturned. Mr. Wall's condition is critical. This was what the newspaper read. कि Mr. Wall जो है वो बहुत ही critical हो गए हैं. He is now in danger. He had met with a road accident. Who got the road accident? That American millionaire. That American millionaire whose name was Mr. Ormond Wall. He had met with an accident. So his condition is very critical. This was what written on the newspaper. This Debonaire's guest read it. And the face on the wall also had become very dim. I went back to my room and staring at the face on the wall. And even as I looked, suddenly it completely disappeared. It means the face on the wall. It was no more. It completely disappeared. ये जो चेहरा बना हुआ था, ये पैच जो था, वो खत्म ही हो गया एकदम से. Later I found that Mr. Wall died of his injuries at what I take it to be that very moment. तो मेरे को लगता है, I take it means I think. मैं सोचता हूँ कि एट दैट वेरी मोमेंट, कि जिस टाइम वो मरा होगा, ये फेस बिल्कुल ही उसी टाइम ये डिसअपियर हो गया होगा. बाद में इसने पढ़ा कि नेक्स्ट डे या कब उसके बाद उसने पढ़ा कि उसकी डेथ हो गई है, तो फेस भी डिसअपियर हो गया. ये सोचता है कि उसी मोमेंट ये हो गया होगा. टू बी दैट वेरी मोमेंट, उसी क्षण ये फेस भी जो है वो पक्का ही निकल गया होगा जब वो मरा होगा. Again he was silent. Debonaire's guest जो था वो क्वाइट हो जाता है. He is speaking no more. Most remarkable, most extraordinary. We meant it too. हमने बोला, सिर्फ कहा नहीं, हमने दिल से बोला. We meant it too means we really meant that it was most unusual story. It was most interesting, wonderful, unusual story. It was extraordinary story, astonishing थी. हमने सबने दिल से ये कहा. We meant it too means जो हमने बोला वही हमने महसूस भी किया. Yes, said the stranger. जो उसका गेस्ट था, स्ट्रेंजर, उसने he said, हाँ जी, story is very extraordinary. There are three most remarkable things about my story. मेरी स्टोरी की 3 खास बातें हैं. 3. How many extraordinary things are in the story? 3. He said कि my story had 3 most unusual, wonderful aspects. 3 अजीबो गरीब बातें हैं मेरी स्टोरी की. 1 is that it should be possible for a patch on the wall of a house in London not only to form the features of a gentleman in America, but also to have a close association with his life. कि देखो, उस पैच का ना केवल फीचर मिल रहे थे अमेरिका के एक आदमी के लंदन में की दीवार में, ना केवल उन दोनों के फीचर्स मिल रहे थे, बट उन दोनों की लाइफ में क्लोज एसोसिएशन भी था. देयर वाज ए क्लोज लिंक. There was a close link. Association means interconnection. There was a relationship, link between both of them. किस किस में लिंक था? अमेरिका का एक मैन एंड इंग्लैंड ऑर्मंड स्ट्रीट में वॉल पे बना हुआ फेस, इन दोनों का कोई ना कोई आपस में रिलेशनशिप था. Another one, दूसरी रिमार्केबल बात मेरी स्टोरी की ये है. Another one means the second remarkable unusual thing about my story is that the gentleman's name should bear any relation to the spot on which his features were being made so curiously produced by some unknown agency. Unknown agency means unknown force, power, supernatural power. पता नहीं कौन सी ताकत थी, एजेंसी थी जिसने रिप्रोड्यूस किए थे, मीन्स बनाए थे. which had drawn, carved, बड़े ध्यान से, curiously, so strangely, some force had drawn the same features, the same nose, forehead, face, same features had been drawn by some unknown agency, force. उन दोनों के नेम में भी कितना कनेक्शन है. ऑर्मंड स्ट्रीट, ऑर्मंड वॉल. तो ये दूसरी बात ये है. थर्ड, इज इट नॉट सो, इजंट नॉट सो, है ना, सेम कनेक्शन है. वी अग्रीड विद हिम, वी अग्रीड विद हिम, we means all the people who had assembled at Dabney's house. With him means that Dabney's guest. We all agreed with him and our original discussion on supernatural occurrences. जो सुपरनेचुरल घटनाओं के बारे में जो हम बात कर रहे थे, हम मान गए कि ये बहुत सबसे बढ़िया सुपरनेचुरल एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है. Then he rose up and said good night. Just as he was at the door, one of the company asked him what he considered the third most exciting thing in connection with his interesting story. What is the third extraordinary thing which had happened in the story? दो तो आपने बता दिए कि दोनों के फीचर सेम थे, दोनों के नेम में रिलेशनशिप था. अब तीसरी बात क्या है इस स्टोरी में? ओह, द थर्ड थिंग, he said. He means that little man with an anxious face who was Dabney's guest. Oh, the third thing. उसने कहा, oh, तीसरी बात. As he opened the door, I was forgetting that. That here means the third extraordinary thing in the story. I was forgetting the third extraordinary thing in the story. The third extraordinary thing about the story is that I made it up about an hour ago. मैंने तो आधा घंटा पहले कहानी को खुद से बनाया है. I had made up means I have invented, I have concocted. मैंने मनगढ़ंत सी अभी आधा घंटा पहले खुद में सोच के बनाई है ये कहानी. Good night. Was this a true story? No, it was a made-up story. It was a invented story, concocted story. So earlier, what the little man had said earlier, he had said that truth is not only stranger than fiction, but also greatly more interesting. उसने कहा था मैं सच्ची कहानी बताऊंगा क्योंकि सच्चाई बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होती है और स्ट्रेंज भी होती है और सच्ची भी होती है. तो मैं झूठ मूठ नहीं बताऊंगा. बट इन द एंड clarifies that his story is also a made up story, is also a concocted story. So children, read and enjoy.